Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'm going to show you how you can download the Guarda Crypto Bitcoin app on your Android smartphone. Guarda is a cryptocurrency wallet where you can easily store tokens in one secure multi-currency crypto wallet. You can easily receive, send, or hold, and buy or exchange any cryptocurrencies as you wish. So, to download Guarda, you need to make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your Android smartphone. After making sure, just go onto the Play Store and in the search bar, search for Guarda Crypto Bitcoin Wallet. After searching it up, it is the first application that pops up on your screen. And as you can see, after you open up the app, there's an install button in front of your screen. Hit install, and depending upon your Wi-Fi connection, the application will be installed to your phone within a given time. As you can see, the Guarda app has been installed on your smartphone. Now, you can use this application to advantage in buying, selling, exchanging, or storing cryptocurrency as you wish. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys next time in our next video. Thank you for watching.